We are getting ready to dive into lesson 1.5, which is renaming numbers. And this is a slightly hard task for the kids to understand, so I'm trying to make it as easy as possible. There are a couple different ways to do it. You could draw a model, or you can circle place value and work from there. My first example is 170, and instead of saying 170, I could group it by using longs. And longs are each worth 10. And we just demonstrate them with a long rectangle, so to speak. So each one is worth 10, so I could go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170. And so in this case, I have 17 longs or 17 tens, which is also equivalent to 170. They mean the same thing, just another way to state it. Another example is 1,200, and I could represent this with flats. And flats are each worth 100. So in this case, I'm going to need 12 of them, because 12 times 10, 12 times 100, will give me 1,200. I could add each one up, but in my head, I know that 100 times 12 will give me 1,200. So in this case, I have 12 hundreds. An easier way to look at it is to look at maybe the tens place. If I want to know how many tens are in 620, I look at my 2 in the tens place and I circle everything after it, and that honestly gives you your answer right away, that you have 62 tens since the 2 is in the tens place. Another easier way to show that, say I'm wanting to know how many hundreds are in 1,700, I start with my 7 in the hundreds place and I circle everything after it, and I have 17 hundreds. Another way they might see it is 36 thousands. Well, I know I need to have my 6 in the thousands place, and the 3 stays after it. And since I don't have any hundreds, tens, or ones, I complete it with zeros. That is the last example I have for now. Hopefully that helps. Again, circling is the best way to get to your answer.